Welcome to this Intro to Power BI course. My name is Guido Gertz and I will be your teacher. With data analytics being a skill in high demand and Power BI being considered as a leader in business analytics tools, this is an exciting course to teach. The overall objective of this course is that you learn a skill set that will allow you to complete a basic data analytics project from start to finish. This is from data to insights with Power BI. While we will spend a substantial amount on building dashboards and data exploration, you will also learn how to extract data, clean data, restructure data, and calculate information that you would like to use for your analysis. Most of the course is hands-on, and I have been told many times that this is a fun course. I hope you are as excited as I am. Let's get started with Module 1.